For example, two-port best example of two-port network is your transmission line. At generating station, you are the sending end, and at the consumer terminal, it is receiving end. So in between the complex network, that is a two-port network. You can consider it. Okay. So in two-port network, there are four parameters. One is sending end voltage, sending end current, receiving end voltage, and receiving end current. To represent sending end voltage and sending end current in terms of receiving end voltage and receiving end current, we need some parameters. So this is another parameter out of four parameters, that is called ABCD parameter or transmission parameter. So you can write the sending end voltage and sending end current in terms of receiving end voltage and receiving end current. These are the two equations. V1 equal to AV2 minus VI2 and I1 equal to CV2 minus VI2. So in matrix form, you can write this as V1 I1 equal to A B C D V2 and minus. So to find these values, A B C D values. So first, let's open circuit these two terminals. When these two terminals are open circuit, then this I2 becomes 0. If I2 will be 0, put this value in this equation. So V1 will be equal to A V2. That is like this. VA equal to V1 by V2. So you know gain equal to what? Output voltage by input voltage. If A equal to V1 by V2, then 1 by A equal to V2 by V1, which is called open circuit voltage gain. Okay. Then in second equation, if we put I2 equal to 0, then I1 will be equal to CV2. Okay. And C will be equal to I1 by V2. You know I by V equal to admittance. So since this circuit is open circuit, it is called open circuited transmitted open circuit transfer admittance. Okay. Then come to next question. When the two ports are short circuited, two gas ports are short circuited, if the two ports are short circuited, V2 will be 0. Then put this value, these two equations. If V2 will be 0, V1 will be equal to minus VI. So V equal to minus V1 by I2. We know V by I equal to impedance. So it is called short circuit transfer impedance. And in this equation, if we put V2 equal to 0, I1 will be equal to minus VI2. So D will be equal to minus I1 by I2. For current, for gain, I2 by I1 is the gain. So 1 by D will be equal to short circuit current. Okay. So this is how we find all the